So guys, I'm here in Richmond, Virginia, and we're going to be filming the King of the James Adventure Triathlon.
Great day, King of the James, 2019, baby.
On your right.
King of the James, homegrown race. It's the best.
So who usually wins this race? I know somebody's always going.
The fastest person.
Who's that been the last couple of years?
I don't know. I'm not into the results. I'm into the race itself. It's a fun race. It's a landmark for Richmond.
So how does the race go? You pedal first or you run first?
Mountain biking first, then running, then the paddle. It's amazing that these people can do it.
As you guys can see, he has his camera gear out, and I'm going to be using the Mavic 2 Pro for the aerial shots and the M50 for the stationary shots. I'm going to use the action camera on my head for whatever else I can capture. So guys, I'm here in Richmond, Virginia, and we're going to be filming the King of the James Adventure Triathlon. So it takes 3 legs to win this race. You got to run, you got to bike, and you got to bike in this trail right across the river over here. And it's rough trail. And then you got to paddle. You got to paddle down this river right here. Right here. See that? And that's the last leg of this race. This paddle. So that's what this is all about. This is a pretty cool race, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. It should be fun. As you can see, I haven't even had a chance to take off my hat cam or my helmet because I pedaled here as fast as I could to get to this location. It's a really cool location. Right over my shoulder is Hollywood Cemetery, and then over my shoulder again is the city skyline. And this rapid right here, I call it $1 million rapid because if you hit it right, it feels like $1 million. So, yeah, see, this is a super nice place to set up, and
from the fallout. I got you where I want you now. Nothing's gonna save you from the fallout. I got you where I want you now. Nothing's gonna save you from the fallout. I got you where I want you now. Nothing's gonna save you from the fallout. I won't let up. 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 I won't let This day is gonna be the greatest memory, making history. Let's go. You don't need no luck with that golden touch. Time to light it up. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's about to break. Got what it's gonna take. Go ahead and on that stage. Let's go. When you're made for this, yeah, it's obvious. Top another list. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is yeah, this is it. It's now or it's never. No plan with forever. It's now or it's never. Yeah. It's down to the wire. Who gon' take the empire? It's down to the wire. This is it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. This is yeah, this it.